Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our challenge Terraform Init, which is an arcade challenge. Build, change and destroy cloud infrastructures. Last lab that is infrastructure as code with Terraform. इस lab का मैं solution इसमें आपको provide करूंगा. Before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of each and every previous lab. पिछली जितनी भी lab है सबका solution मैंने upload कर लिया है. That you can access by simply clicking on the I button. वीडियो के I button पे click करेंगे आपको previous सारी lab मिल जाएगी. अगर कोई भी lab बची है तो जाके complete कर लें. Now without wasting time, start this lab and wait for the page to be loaded up. Once the page get loaded, simply click on the Start Lab button and wait for the credentials. ये credentials हमें इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं ताकि हम अपने Google Cloud Console में लॉग इन कर सके. ठीक है, एक स्टूडेंट ईमेल आईडी मिलती है तो वेट करेंगे. Now right click on Open Google Console and open it in private window or in incognito mode. Otherwise you will face certain issues. कुछ प्रॉब्लम आती है अगर आप incognito mode में ओपन नहीं करेंगे. Now the email ID is automatically pasted. हमें सिर्फ पासवर्ड चाहिए होता है तो क्लिक करेंगे नेक्स्ट बटन में. Click on the next button and head towards the password and the password is given into the lab में हमें पासवर्ड गिवन है जो कि ये है. इसे कॉपी कर लेंगे ध्यान से इस बटन से. Come back to the console, paste it here, click on the next button and we get logged in into our Google Cloud Console. Okay, it's simply a welcome message. Click on the I understand button and wait for it. After that, we need to accept some terms and conditions. So simply click on this checkbox, click on agree and continue. Now we need to activate our Cloud Shell. So for that, click on this right icon, activate Cloud Shell button, and it will start to synchronize our terminal shell. Okay, so wait for it to get synchronized. Click on the continue button. Now come back to the lab, scroll down to the task number 1, keep scrolling, and copy this first command, that is touch main.tf. Okay, copy it very carefully. Come back to here and click on this got it button and we get logged in into our cloud terminal. Now paste the command that we copied here and hit enter button. Okay, now come back to the lab again, scroll down, copy this whole content. Okay, copy it, come back to here, click on this open editor button. It will open a file editor for it. For us, click on the got it button. Now we need to edit a file named as main.tf. main.tf एक फाइल है, हमें गिवन है ऐसा. main.tf फाइल होगी जिसमें हमें अपनी प्रोजेक्ट आईडी सेट करनी है. ओके, तो हम पहले पेस्ट करेंगे और फिर प्रोजेक्ट आईडी पेस्ट करेंगे. ओके, कम बैक टू वेट फॉर इट टू सिंक्रोनाइज. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा लोड होने में. सारी फाइल्स को लोड होने देंगे प्रॉपर्ली, थोड़ा सा वेट करेंगे. हैव सम पेशेंस, वेट फॉर अ कपल ऑफ मिनट्स. ओके, once the file get loaded, click on the main.tf file, wait for it to open here. Now paste the content that we copied in this file. Now remove this project id, remove everything between the quotes, remove it very carefully. Now come back to the lab for the project id and copy this gcp project id very carefully. Last वाली project id copy करेंगे, वापस आएंगे console में, paste करेंगे यहाँ project id. After that we need to click on this file and click on the save all button. Okay, after that once again come back to the terminal. हम अपने terminal पे वापस आएंगे, click on the open terminal button, come back to the lab, scroll down, keep scrolling, copy this first command, that is Terraform Init. Come back to here, paste it here, click on hit enter button. Come back to the lab again, copy the next command, that is Terraform apply, paste the command and hit enter button. It will ask you for the certain value, so type YES and hit enter button. Okay, now click on the authorize button, come back to the lab, scroll down, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick. जैसे ही आपका लास्ट वाला कमांड रन हो जाएगा, अभी लास्ट कमांड रन नहीं हुआ है, अभी ये अंडर द प्रोसेस है. वंस दिस कमांड गेट रन यू विल गेट द ग्रीन टिक. ओके, तो थोड़ा सा वेट कर लेते हैं. एंड while this command is running, make sure in that time you hit the subscribe button ताकि आप कोई भी अपकमिंग लैब्स के सॉल्यूशन मिस ना करें. तो इस टाइम में जब तक ये रन हो रहा है तो सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को और वीडियो को लाइक करें. ओके, कोई भी क्वेरी आए तो कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, now as you can see our command is done successfully. Apply completed, one resources added. Okay, now come back to it, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick in this task, that is task number 1. You can see assessment is completed. Now scroll down to the task 2 and once again copy this command and come back to here and we will open the editor this time. So to open the editor, simply click on the open editor button and now click on the 16th number line and hit enter button 2 to 3 times. Now paste the content that we copied. जो हमने copy किया paste किया था paste कर देंगे. इसके बाद हमें click on the file button, click on the save all button to save this all content that we made the changes. After that come back to the terminal, then come back to the lab, copy the next command to apply the changes by Terraform apply command. Come back to here, paste it here and hit enter button. Now it will ask you for the certain values again. So type YES from the keyboard, hit enter button, wait for this command to get run. It will take a couple of minutes, so wait for it. So once the command get run, what you need to do, come back to the lab, scroll down a little bit and copy this fourth number of line, that is text equals to wav and dep. Copy it very carefully, कोई भी extra spacing नहीं होनी चाहिए यहाँ पर. Okay, now come back to the terminal once again, open the editor and in the line number 21 क्लिक एट द एंड देन हिट एंटर बटन. हमें एक नई लाइन क्रिएट करनी है, लाइन नंबर 22. वहां पर हमने जो कॉपी किया है कंटेंट वो पेस्ट कर देंगे. आफ्टर दैट क्लिक ऑन द फाइल बटन, click on the save all button. Make sure line number 22 ऐसी ही दिखनी चाहिए जैसे मेरी दिख रही है. Rematch your line number 22 with my. Okay. Now click on the open terminal. Now again we will apply the changes by copying this Terraform apply command. Copy it. Come back to here, paste it here, hit enter button, and again we need to enter the value, that is yes. So first of all, wait for it to ask the value. Then we will type yes, that is yes, and hit enter button and wait for this command to get run. जैसे ही command run हो जाएगा वैसे हम check my progress पे click करेंगे और हमें task 2 में भी green tick मिल जाएगा. Okay. So now you can see our command is run successfully. अब क्या करना है? Come back to the lab, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick in the task number 2 also. Wait for it. It will take a couple of seconds. You can see assessment is completed. Now scroll down to the next task and copy this image path that is given under the quotes. Copy it very carefully. ध्यान से copy करेंगे. ये path है image का. Copy करेंगे. Come back to here. Open the editor. Now scroll down and remove this image path which is previously given. जो भी कोड्स के अंदर है वो हम पूरा रिमूव कर देंगे. लेट मी रिमूव इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिमूव इट वेरी केयरफुली एंड मैच व्हाट आई एम सिलेक्टिंग. जितना भी एरिया मैंने सिलेक्ट किया उतना सिलेक्ट करके रिमूव करना है. देन पेस्ट द न्यू पाथ हियर. देन क्लिक ऑन द फाइल बटन एंड क्लिक ऑन द सेव ऑल बटन. ओके, मेक श्योर you don't make any mistake in this step. After that, come back to the open terminal button. Come back to the lab, scroll down, copy this Terraform apply button or the command actually to apply the changes, paste it here and hit enter button, and it will ask you for the password or the value. So we need to again type yes. So type yes, hit enter button. Now come back to the lab and wait for this command to get run. Till then, come back to the lab and copy the next command, that is Terraform destroy. Come back to here, wait for this command to get run. अभी ये command run हो रहा है. जब तक ये run ना हो जाए तब तक हम next command paste नहीं करेंगे, थोड़ा सा wait करेंगे. ठीक है, तो wait करते हैं. So you can see our command is run successfully. तो हम next command paste करेंगे. कौन सा command? That is Terraform destroy. ये वाला command जो है we will copy it and paste it under the terminal. Okay. So paste it here and hit enter button. And now this command will ask you for the for the value again. So wait for it. We need to enter a value. Wait करेंगे. Then type yes when it asks for the value and hit enter button. Okay. Now this command will take around 4 to 5 minutes. 4 से 5 मिनट लगेंगे इस command को run होने में. So till then, sit back and relax and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. Okay, so wait for it. Now you can see our command is run successfully. It around take 4 to 5 minutes. 4 से 5 मिनट ले इसे रन होने में. After that, simply come back to the lab. जब आपका रन हो जाए उसके बाद click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick in the task number 2 also. Okay, task number 2 में 2 task थे, सब टास्क थे, तो दोनों में हमें ग्रीन टिक मिल चुका है. असेसमेंट इज कंप्लीटेड. नाउ स्क्रॉल डाउन टू टास्क 3. कॉपी दिस कमांड, दैट इज Terraform apply, to apply the changes that we made. Paste it here and hit enter button. Now we need to enter a value again. So type yes and hit enter button. Now this command will also take 4 to 5 minutes. अब हम फिर से 4 से 5 मिनट वेट करेंगे. तो आपको क्या करना है, उतने में आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, बट मेक श्योर कि आपकी कनेक्शन लॉस नहीं होने चाहिए और लैब गलती से भी एंड नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके, सो सिट बैक एंड रिलैक्स. यू कैन सी कमांड इज नाउ रन सक्सेसफुली. अब हम क्या करेंगे, लैब पे वापस आएंगे, स्क्रॉल डाउन करेंगे एंड वी विल कॉपी दिस होल कमांड, दैट इज लेट मी चेक. Yes, we need to copy the next command, that is again under the assigning a static IP address. Okay, तो हमें ये वाला पूरा कमांड कॉपी करना है. कॉपी करेंगे, main.tf फाइल में वापस जाएंगे by clicking on the open editor button and come to the bottom of the whole file and hit enter button 2 to 3 times and then paste the command or the content that we copied here. After that, click on the file button. Let me remove it first. Click on the file button, click on the save all button and come back to the terminal again. Then we need to apply the changes by the help of this Terraform plan copy. Copy it, paste it here, hit enter button, wait for this command to get run. Let me check. Yes, hit it, enter button. Now wait for this command to get run. थोड़ा सा wait करेंगे. Now you can see this command is also run. Come back to the lab, scroll down, keep scrolling, and now we need to copy this last line, that is net IP equals to Google compute address. Okay, copy it very carefully. ध्यान से copy करेंगे. After that, come back to here, open the editor. Okay, now let me check. Okay, under the line number 30, hit enter button, paste the command that we copied, then click on the file, click on the save all. We can also match the content, that is network access net. Okay, let me check. So it is network access and net. Okay, so the file is looking the absolute same. Now come back to the here, copy this next command, that is this one, copy it, come back to here, open the terminal, paste it here, hit enter button, wait for this command to get run. Let's wait for it. It's done successfully. Come back to here, scroll down, copy the next command, come back to here, paste it here, hit enter button and wait for this command to get run. थोड़ा सा time लेगा ये. So now we can see our command is run successfully. So come back to the lab, scroll down, click on this check my progress. You will get the green tick in the task number 3. Wait for it. You can see assessment is completed. Now scroll down, keep scrolling, copy this whole content. Okay, come back to the terminal, open the editor, file editor, Now scroll down to the bottom, paste the command that we copied or the content at the bottom. First of all, hit enter button, then paste the command. And now we need to change the bucket ID. So that is another 42 lines. This is unique bucket name. Make sure you remove it. First of all, remove everything between the quotes, select it and remove it. Now we need the project ID. So simply click on this arrow button and from here, copy the project ID, that is this one, copy it very carefully. You can click on the cancel button after that, paste the project ID between these quotes. Okay. Now after that, we need to click on this file button, click on the save all button to make the changes, click on the open terminal button. Now come back to here, scroll down, keep scrolling, click copy these both command, that is Terraform plan and Terraform apply, then paste it here and hit enter button. Now wait for this command to get run. It will first ask you for the permission, so wait for it. We need to enter a value, so wait करेंगे. Okay, so wait a little. Yes, now it's asking for the value. Type YAS and hit enter button. Now wait for this command to get run. जैसे ही command run हो जाएगा, हमें check my progress पे click करेंगे और हमें green tick मिल जाएगा. तो थोड़ा सा wait करेंगे. Now you can see our command is done successfully. Now come back to the lab, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick in the task number 3. That is the sub part of the task number 3. Now you can see assessment is complete. Now scroll down, keep scrolling. We don't need to perform any other task. Congratulations. Now our lab is completed. Click on the end lab button, click on the submit button, give the star rating that you want to give. And you can also leave any additional comment if you want. Click on the submit button. Now come back to the main page and we will verify whether our lab is actually completed or not. हम main page पे आएंगे, scroll down करेंगे, इसको ओपन करेंगे एंड वी विल सी अ ग्रीन टिक इज बिसाइड आवर लैब. इट मींस वी सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीटेड आवर लैब. जैसे हमें ग्रीन टिक मिल जाता है, पता चल जाता है कि हमारी लैब कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. ओके, सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस लैब. इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, मेक श्योर यू हिट द लाइक बटन, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the telegram group. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.